Next in Python Matplotlib, we have area plot. Now area plots are pretty much similar to the line plot, and they're also known as stack plots. These plots can be used to track changes over time for one or more two related groups that make up the whole category. For example, we will do a small area plot and compile the work done during a day into categories such as sleeping, eating, working, and playing. So firstly, we need to import the Matplotlib pyplot as PLT. And next we have to create days, and that could be stacked upon the work that we are doing, the activities such as sleeping, eating, working, and playing. So let us firstly declare days here. And in that we are storing value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we are taking several activities, that is sleeping, and storing values there like 7, 8, 6, 11, 7. Next we are taking eating, and storing value there is 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Next we are doing for working, and there we're storing the values as 7, 8, 7, 2, 2. And lastly we'll have playing, and in that we are storing values 8, 5, 7, 8, 13. So we have stored the values, and now we are going to plot. To plot area plot, we simply write plt dot plot equals, and then we give here the square brackets for the values, and we firstly take the color, that will be M, and then what we are going to do is we are going to give the label that will be displayed in Legion, and firstly we are using this color for denoting the sleeping, and then I'm going to give the line width. Similarly, I'm going to plot for the rest three, that is eating, working, and playing. Next we will use plt dot stack plot to plot the respective things which are there, that is days, sleeping, eating, working, playing, and the respective colors. And the colors which we took as M, C for cyan, R denotes red, and K for black. So the plotting is done. Now what we have to do, we have to give the labels to the x and y axis. So plt dot x label, and that is going to print simply x axis. Similarly plt dot y label, and that is going to print y axis. And plt dot title, to give the title above, I'm going to give that as area plot. Lastly plt dot show. And we missed one thing, that is the legend, because we use the label. So we will write here plt dot legend, And now as I execute this particular code, here you can see that area plot is being drawn, x-axis, y-axis, and the colors, the regions which we have given are denoting here. It is denoting sleeping, then eating, the red one is working, and the black one is playing. This is how we can denote area plot with the help of Matplotlib library in Python.